very straightforward. Element, compound, or mixture. Actually, this one I basically copied from your homework. And it is quite surprising for me to see some of you say seawater is an element or compound. And I have told you in the beginning, taste salty. That means there will be salt and water. How can it be compound and element? So basically you have to tell me that will be a mixture, and the keyword will be there are salt and water. First point. Second point will be they can be separated. They can be separated by physical method. So basically it is the same as your homework. Physical methods. There are salt and water, and they can be separated by physical method. Okay. So you have to mention salt and water, and then you have to mention they can be separated by physical method. And then for the physical process of the separation of seawater from sand. So this one will be filtration. Filtration. What is infiltration, by the way? Oh. This is not chemistry. This is geography. I don't know it. Okay. And by the way, that they are not the same. Okay. Because I have Googled the term infiltration. Because so many of you put down infiltration. And in the beginning, I'm afraid that I told you, oh, we have learned a process called infiltration. And then I look at the notes that I give you. I do not put down the term infiltration. Okay. So this one, for the draw a labeled diagram for this one. So you should draw the diagram with a pencil. So like this one. Now, when you are going to draw the diagram, so basically the diagram should look like this. Use ruler, by the way. Okay. And then you can have the conical glass or beaker. It does not matter. Okay. And then you have the filter paper, and you have the residue. So basically what you have will be this one. Label it, so it's salt water or sea water. You can name it. Okay, sea water or salt water, but basically if you put down sea water, that may be better. So I call it salt water. Sea water. Or you can put down filtrate. And what is left here will be the salt. Then that is not correct. Some of you put down salt here. We tell you that it is trapped with some mud. So this is mud. Okay. Or you can say it, this is the residue. And then you should have this one to be the filter funnel. Some of you put down filter tunnel. And I have no comment for that. And then you have filter funnel and filter paper. And that is why after that, this one, we don't mind if you don't label. This is the conical flask, but if you can, then that is better. So you can use conical flask or use beaker. So you just choose one. Okay, choose one. Okay, just choose one. So you have to have the filter funnel, filter paper, residue, and the water there. Is it sand? Okay, sorry. This is sand. Thank you, Apple. Apple, I can see your potential in science. Will you consider studying science later? It is true because you do not pay attention in the lesson. And then you get a pass. Okay? Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, Apple. I know you are so smart. Okay, for that. Okay. So this is the drawing. Can you follow? And then for D, how to test water? So maybe I put it here. Water will turn dry cobalt chloride. Yes, some of you put down cobalt chlorine paper. From blue to pink. So 2 points. 1 point will be the dry cobalt chloride paper, and then second point, blue to pink. If you have not got the correct substance here, that means the cobalt chloride paper. If you forget to put down dry, no mark already. And if you don't have this 1 mark, you won't get the second 1 mark. Okay? And you are going to state the chemical method to decompose water into its 2 constituent elements. So this is the electrolysis. And again, this is directly copied from your homework, so you should know electrolysis. And what you have obtained will be oxygen and hydrogen. So oxygen, because so many of you are going to use your English to mention it, it is used for breathing. Do you know you use your lung to breathe, not use oxygen to breathe? So can you stop putting down something like you use the oxygen to breathe? Okay? You use the lung to do the gases exchange. Oxygen is used as a respiratory aims. Okay? It is very embarrassing when I mark it. Do you know? You are human. You use your lung. Okay? And for hydrogen, I guess you know it. That is a fuel for spacecrafts or what you can mention. Spaceships or whatever that you can mention. Okay, that's it for this one. Okay, this is question 1. Yes, oxygen for respiratory aims. And you can find the answer in your homework and in your notes and in your textbook. So, next one, question 2.